Hi guys, welcome back to CantoHousewife. Today I'm going to show you another one of my favorite Hong Kong comfort food, 罐頭回鍋肉, or canned twice cooked pork. This along with the spice pot cube I showed you last time and the luncheon meat are called 台風三寶 in my family, which literally mean the three staples for typhoon season. Here is the ingredient list. The recipe is very simple, so let's get started. When you're selecting the pork, make sure you pick something that have a layer of fat and a layer of pork in between. This will get you the melt in your mouth texture. First, we're going to boil the pork belly with mai zao, rice wine, green onion, few slices of ginger, garlic to remove the impurities. In Cantonese, we call it chut soi. Remember, the water have to be cold when you add in the pot with all the ingredients. And then boil it for about 10 minutes until you see all the impurity that is coming out. Next, we're going to slice out bamboo shoot. I use the frozen one because they don't sell fresh one at my supermarket, but you can use fresh, frozen, or canned version. Again, remember to slice against the fiber so it's not chewy when you are biting in it after you cook them. Same thing with the pork, we're going to cut against the grain. Next, we are going to sear the pork until they're golden brown on the outside. And then we're going to add in the bamboo shoot and stir fry them for about a minute. Make a well, add the spicy bean paste, and stir fry it until it fragrance. Takes about 20 seconds. Then you can mix everything together and stir fry it for another 30 seconds. Next, add in the Shaoxing wine, white sugar, white pepper powder, and cook them for another minute. It should smell super good right now already. Then turn off the fire and put everything in the pressure cooker, including every last drop of the sauce. Now cover the Instant Pot, turn the valve to seal, and cook it on high pressure for 25 minutes. Let the pressure naturally relieve for 15 minutes and make sure the safety pin is down before opening it. Give everything a quick mix and your twice cooked pork is ready to go. The savory sauce, melt in your mouth pork, and the tender bamboo shoot just come together perfectly. This recipe legitly tastes better than the canned version. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy Hong Kong inspired dishes. Let me know in the comment what other food would you like to see next, and make sure to check out all my easy recipe. I'll see you next week. Bye!